Hello friends, welcome to the first travel vlog of our trip to the port city of Visakhapatnam. Early morning traffic to the airport.
The reason for this trip was my dance program. So we took 3 extra days off to make the most of it.
Our home for the first 2 days.
That evening, we went to see the venue where I was to perform the next day. After this recital, we headed to RK Beach, which is right across the venue. We had a lot of crabs for company.
After fulfilling the main purpose of this trip, it was time for some adventure. Alright, here we go. We learnt our lessons from the last time. We got our own mobile holder, mobile charger, and we are set to go.
Yes.
Our first stop was at the Thotlakonda Buddhist archaeological site.
The gentleman at the toll was fascinated with our camera.
Please pause the video to read about it. Can you believe that these structures that you see were constructed 2500 years ago? These are rock cut cisterns used to store drinking water. Looks like it is serving its purpose even now. You see this space? That is one room, and there are 72 rooms across this area. And each room, 2 monks would live, and there are like 144 monks would live in this place for 600 years? 3rd century BC to 3rd century AD. This is what remains as of now. It used to be 4 meters high with the roof and everything. Now only the stone structure remains. That is a kitchen, and obviously these are the storage rooms, and the one big area there over there. Just imagine that this is a fully functional dining hall where the monks are entering through the gate and sitting and humming their prayers and enjoying their meal. It just takes us back to 2000 years. Such a divine feeling standing here. This is beach view point. Let me show you the view